Now let's go on to our next museum. Welcome to the Pinatubo Museum of Holy Angel University. Perhaps this is the only museum that is dedicated to a volcano. It is a memorial to all the sufferings, death, and devastation that the Kapampangans went through during the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991 and the lahars that followed until 1995. You will find a mural called Lumud, which means drown, and all the samples of ashfall and lahar that was collected from the site. On the other side of the museum, you will find a display. It is a timeline of event in which you can use augmented reality for better viewing. We want young Kapampangans to never forget what happened and to always remember that their old folks suffered and to always appreciate the fact that they survived and triumphed. Kapampangans are truly among the most resilient people in the world. So kudos and bravo to all of you.